Guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add new users to your WordPress site. Let's get started. In order to do that, scroll down until you can see the options right here for users. So in here, click on this add new user right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this page. So just head over and add their username right here as well as their email. First name, last name, website, as well as a password that you will give them right here. So once you have sent them this password, you can assign them a role. So on default, our actual role is subscriber, but you can also make them contributor, author, editor, administrator. So for this one, let's choose in here author, and then click on this invite right here. And then this is actually a contractor that we want, and you can also enter in here a custom message. And then once you have done that, you can click on this add new user right here in order to successfully add them to your WordPress website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.